Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 remove activate Windows go to settings to activate Windows Watermark. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, click Svsvc. Open Start, change value data to 4, close and exit Registry editor. Restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.